This is kind of rejecting. Okay, guys, welcome for those who are watching the rediffusion. Let me decrease the volume up. I think it's good. Okay, so welcome, guys, in the stream. So let's see what we can get today. Yesterday we did a pretty good job. Okay, we shorted the top, literally. We literally shorted the top here around 114Ks. After exiting here, we took a scalp here that got stopped, and then we made it all back even more here. Took a nice swing. So now I'm still in. I closed half is I just closed half here at Monday low, and I'm willing to take another long if we can get something interesting, like something like this. I would really love to have this. So let's see what we have right here. From the highs, we can see that the spot is just selling. Open interest is a bit increasing right here. Welcome, guys, in the stream, by the way. Let me share it on X and everything so you guys can join up. So there we go, guys. That's cool. Up. Yo. So up. I don't know if you guys saw my video from yesterday. Yo, Daily Masculine Motivation, how are you? Hi, Christian, how are you, brother? Yo, Achaz, how are you, brother? Sorry, I always take a little bit time because I just like launched the streams. So let's see. I really would love to get a nice bounce from the opening. You can see. I would love to get a retest of like the rolling VWAP here, like around 110Ks. 110Ks, fill the gap here. We also have the weekly VWAP here at 109Ks, so could be nice. Let's see what we get. Hey Ash Crypto, how are you? Hey Beast Or, how are you guys? Welcome in the stream, guys. So let's get it. Yesterday was a nice day, by the way. We got the right idea. Code a short here. That was the plan. Nice retest of 30-day and 90-day rolling VWAP. We took this liquidity. We left this liquidity untapped. That was the plan from yesterday. And now we tagged our first target, which was the Monday low. So I closed half of the position. And now I'm just waiting for maybe a new setup. How is it looking right here? Yeah, nothing special. here we are holding the daily VWAP, huh? Might take this poor high here. I would love to have a retest of the weekly VWAP. I would love a retest of the weekly VWAP. That would be my target for today. Even though if we have a lot of liquidity higher, I don't know. I think maybe short 108 could be a good play. I think now it's a bit late to short. Well, actually, we are also retesting the 7-day rolling VWAP and the value we have at the poor high here. But I feel like this can go a bit higher. Maybe retest Monday value real low around here and fill those gaps here. We have a fair value gap here. We have a gap here. Maybe we test those things. But I don't think we go back higher Monday high, okay? Like, I would love, like, I don't know, like a short like that. That would be great. Like, even that would be fucking great. But I think like this is already good. So let's see if we can have it, guys. Could be great. I don't know what you guys think. Welcome in the streams, everyone. So today we do again a $100 giveaway for one of you guys. So if you guys want to participate, make sure to comment the stream, to subscribe, and to like the stream. So yeah, these are the conditions. And basically, we do this every single day. In order to win, you just need to do all that. The money will be sent to your Lbank account. So again, check the link in the description. There is a link to register on Lbank if you don't have any account already. No KYC required, and get 50% deposit bonus on the deposit you will make on Lbank. So that's fucking good. So let's do it. For now, nothing special. Nothing special yet. It's a bit up. I don't know why it's moving like that. Okay. So how is hype looking? Nice rejection of that level. We have this POC, this value real low. Yeah, everything looks a bit heavy, but that's a support here right there on hype. Dodge, I would love to get like a sweep a bit lower. Like this poor high will be incredible to get it. Dodge is one of the altcoins I'm wanting to go spot, kind of big. Aster, we are approaching my lower levels, okay, around here. We're already taking this. We are very, very low. Maybe we can go low like that. I'm already spot, okay. I'm buying since like the 1.10, something like this. I'm only allocating 5% of my portfolio on Aster. If we go very, very low, I will maybe increase my size. But for now, no need to go big. XPLC, for now, no triggers. What I want to see on XPL is a big breakout and then enter on the pullback. So for now, XPL, I don't try to catch the knife. That's like the coin is very weak, so no need to risk your money, guys. Hey Awkward, hey Anthony, hey Only Coding, hey Cons, hey Miles, hey No Choke, how are you? Fine, thank you. Hey Akostoma, hey Marta Bingzak, hey Anthony, yeah. Are you that convinced about Aster? Honestly, I think that they will do well on the long run. But I'm not allocating a big part of my portfolio, like 5%. That's what I'm wanting to allocate. For now, I allocated 5% of what I allocated to spot, but I'm like, I only deployed like 30% of my USDTs into spot. So that's like 1.5% of what I have that is in Aster currently, so that's peanuts. But I might add more, like 5% of my total cash into Aster maybe in the future. But for now, I want to wait the market to find its support, because right now it's a bit risky. Hoping sees it per master soon. Yeah, I think he will do it. I think they will do it, that's for sure. Then there is MYX. We did a great play on MYX. I exited my longs, literally. Like, look, that was insane. I caught this move on MYX, like almost a 2x. I exited for 80%. Then we went a bit higher, went for the 2x, but didn't caught it. Caught the 80%, and then we dumped. Since our exit, we are down 82%. That's insane. So that was a great one. That was a great one. Then there's WUSDC that I also love. Let me put some items here. Maybe I can add more. And let's see how it's looking. S&P. Yeah, S&P looks like it wants to go to highs, huh? Honestly. So yeah, let's wait. Ethereum, I'm still a bit waiting here. No rush. And what I would love to see is here. You can see here on the daily. What I think is that we do something like this on the daily. We basically, whenever we retest the 200 EMA, the price starts to be a bit weak. See, here we held, but we didn't touch it. Here, whenever we touch it, we have like from 5 July to what? To September. So that was like a big range. We have accumulation, distribution, and people getting wrecked. How many people lost a lot of money since July 2024 to the bottom in October? A lot of people got wrecked with this pump, then nuke, pump, nuke. They all got wrecked here. Same thing here in February this year. How many people lost it all here? Lost it all again, lost it all, and then we went back. Here we could have something. Dump, like that, again, and then we go like, here you can see 1, 2, 3, bottom. Here, 1, 2, 3, bottom. So here, maybe that's an accelerated one. 1, 2, 3, third drive lower. So maybe that's the first bottom, that's the second bottom, and we have a third bottom here, and then we go for accumulation. That's what I would love to see on BTC. That's why I didn't think also up we're going to V-reverse and go to highs. That was impossible, because usually when we retest 200 EMA, we take time to recover. Like, see here, same thing, under, we take time to recover. Here we bounce quick, but if you take the last 4 times we retested 200 EMA, we always take time to recover. So that's what I'm expecting here basically, and I would love to have some more chop and maybe another low. 110k, 111k before lower. Yeah, that would be great if we can get it. Bro, the MOX pump was so disgusting. Yeah, that was crazy, bro. Hey, the next trader, how are you? Lost shorting it. Shorting what? MYX? What do you think about Cetus? I don't know this coin, brother, sorry. What is a green and red line on your chart? On which chart, brother? Green and red, you mean blue and red, no? Yeah, exactly, Lucky. By the way, I saw you DM, Lucky Boy, the winner of yesterday's prize. As you just send me your UID today, you will receive your money tomorrow. So yeah. And the other winner of today will receive his money tomorrow again. So yeah. Sorry, another pump and dump. Yeah, exactly. So guys, did you guys were able to catch this move yesterday? We talked about it during the stream, the possibility of sweeping these highs, retesting 30-day, 90-day, holding VWAP. Great rejection, honestly, that was a great one. Let's see what we have on Ethereum also. Yeah, still under the weekly VWAP. We retested previous week value area high, okay, we stay in the value, and now we are kind of losing this POC. That could be very bearish. If we start to have weakness under previous week POC and under the week before POC, that's starting to be weak, and we might even go for these weeks, okay? So yeah, I will be careful on Ethereum still. Now let's see what we have here on that one. You guys can see that yesterday when we pumped, okay, into those highs, which was resistance for us, we literally went into a massive ask resistance, okay, lots of ask here, okay. We also went into some interesting levels on the monthly. We filled some imbalances on the daily. Here you can see we filled those POCs right here. And on the weekly TPO, same thing, we went to this POC here, value area high, value area high here. Lots of bearish thing. Oh, I didn't saw that. Yo bro, there's no way that was the bottom. There's no fucking way that was the bottom. Look at the delta here. Well, there is a lot of shorts, but yeah, I don't think that's the bottom, honestly. Don't really think that was the bottom. And then let's see, that's what I wanted to show you guys yesterday. When we pumped, we had a lot of longs trapped at the highs, okay. They were longing like crazy at the highs, okay, around 30 million on Bybits, and even lower on the push. They were already going long, okay. That was from spot buys, so that was like an easy short for me. CVD going down while OE going up on Canalize. What do you think? Where? Yeah, basically that's just leverage position opening while the spot is just selling. So that's not bullish at all. That is not bullish at all, actually. So yeah, personally, I'm still not bullish here. I don't think we bottom on a lower time frame. If we do have a pump, I think that I will. Oh shit. I think that I will short it. So yeah. By the way, guys, after the stream, make sure to see to go watch my last video, my last YouTube vlog. I'm giving away $100 to 2 persons in the comments of the video in Singapore, the vlog in Singapore. So just make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment, watch it also, could be nice. I think that was a great video, so maybe do it later tonight. The draw is Sunday night, so you guys have time. Watch the video, it's cool, and let me know what you guys think. 96k before 160k, bro. The risk reward is not the best, huh? Like the setup of the short, basically, that's your trade, bro. That's your trade. No, not even, sorry. That's your trade. And if you wanted to long, that was a trade. That's like a 5.5 risk reward trade. Thank you, Walkers. So yeah, let's see what we get here. But I would love to get a trigger like this, okay? So let's wait and see. Hopefully, let's see economic calendar. The economic calendar. The government is still shut down, right, guys? Like there's no news. Or will there be some news? United States. Up. 3 stars, apply. What do we have? Today we have crude oil inventory. Well, that's not really impacting for crypto. Initial jobless claims tomorrow, okay. And we have the CPI. We have the CPI Friday. I'm not sure, but guys, will we have the CPI Friday, or due to the government shutdown, the CPI is not going to be released? Because it's written here, so I'm like sometimes the calendar updates, and it should not be here as we have the government being shut down. Like, let me know. By the way, guys, is the Hey Flying Dutchman, how are you, brother? Thanks, Mikal. Thanks. I hope you guys caught it, bro. To be honest, the overlay on your stream make that chart looks really small. Well, the thing is that as we are streaming, or maybe I should increase it, but it's cool to have the chat, it's cool to have the camera also, and little details. But yeah, I can maybe like work on it to have like something cleaner, guys. Let me know what you guys want. Market analysis. So yeah, so basically for those who want to have like a complete overview of what we think, simply for now, the trend is still down. What I love to do is start my analysis with higher time frame analysis, doing top-down analysis. So you start from having an analysis on the higher time frame. So you start on the weekly, on the daily, and then you go through lower time frames to get your entry levels and execution days, execution plan for the days. Hello, Robert, how are you? So if we go on the weekly, we can see that we are still above the 21 EMA right here. Let me remove this, but we can retest the 50 EMA that is around 100k 200. That's personally my target. I think we touch it. We also start to have some weakness above the 21, under the 21 EMA. If we do close a daily candle above the 21 EMA, for me that will possibly be the bottom, and I will look for longs, okay? But as long as we close under, I really want the price to retest the 50 EMA. This week was my best week for trading. Thanks, bro. You taught me a lot. Oh, congrats, bro. I'm happy for you, honestly. And if I can help you guys to become better traders, I'm doing my job correctly. So yeah, so that's the weekly sentiment. If we zoom to the daily, what we see on the daily is that we are retesting the 200 EMA, and whenever we retest the 200 EMA, we find weakness, okay? Retest 200 EMA, we range before going up. We range before going up. We range before going up. Here, we are probably going to range before going up. Hey, Joe. Hey, Lucas. How are you guys? So, what I think is that we are possibly going to range or having chop in the next days or even weeks. Also, what's happening, we are under the 21 and 50 MA on the daily, which is the daily trend. So the trend is down for now. And as long as we don't flip it like here, the trend is down. So we might have a choppy trend down with 1, 2, 3 low. 1, 2, a third low maybe, or maybe again another one. So let's see what we can have. That's my plan on the weekly. Now, if we remove this and we use the golden ratio Fibonacci indicator, that is an indicator that I love to have on the daily, we can see that the golden ratio is the bull market support, okay, since May 2023. In March 2023, we are above, okay, we didn't lost it. And for me, if we lose it, that's going to be very bearish, and we probably topped here. If we hold here and we can manage to flip this on the daily, probably that we go for new all-time highs, and why not going to the top cycle, which is around 160Ks in the future. I think that this is a possible target within a year, probably before Q4 2026, but I do think that we are going to have a very strong end of the bull market. So I'm not bearish already, and the risk reward is very good, because for me, if we lose this, okay, if we lose this and we go lower, that's over, and we go for the lows here, okay? But if we do all this, then we just keep holding the trend like we are doing it for a few years now. So that's the market update on the daily. Now, if we zoom into some lower time frames, we can see that, oh, we're having a nice pump. On the 1 hour, we are still under the SMA VWAP band. On the 4 hour, we retested the 200 EMA, but we are still under the 4 hour trend, even though the stochastic RSI is out low. And on the 15 minutes, we are trying to push above previous day POC, but as long as we stay under previous day value area high and Monday value area low, I'm still a little bit bearish. What we have here on the VWAP profile, if we remove this, we can see that we are still under, we are right now flipping the 7 days rolling VWAP, but we rejected the 90 days and 30 days VWAP, and this is the reason why I went short the other day, yesterday, okay? Now what I expect is a retest of this gap, okay, and maybe a rejection around here. I would love to see this level being rejected, the weekly VWAP, which is basically here. We can go to watch it here also on Market Monkey around 109K 700. So that's not that's a bit far away still, but I do think that we can have it. That will be my level of interest for a short. So I'm not going to short now. I would love to wait a bit higher, like 1K higher from here. That could be nice, and even filling those gaps, okay? That will be my trigger to have something clean like this and just go back lower, okay? That would be nice. So for now, let's see how we do it. I hope it was clean, guys, and it was understandable. Sorry, my explanation. That was quicker. I didn't went through everything, but just for you guys to have the context of what I'm thinking right now. So let's see. Let me put a new alarm around here so we know if the price is pumping to our levels. By the way, nobody answered me, guys. CPI, will we have it Friday, or as the government is shut down, we cannot have it? What do you guys think? Like, can we have it or no? Similar plan for me. Good luck. Thanks. Good luck to us, guys. Good luck to us. Up. By the way, guys, just to let you know, we are again doing a $100 giveaway in this stream. Okay, so if you guys want to join it, to win it, you guys have to subscribe, to leave a like, and to comment the stream. Also, I wanted to show you something, is that with Lbank, they are sponsoring the streams, so thanks to them we can give away every streams $100. But if you want to find a new exchange to trade on, no KYC required. Okay, even if it's not working in your country, you don't need VPN. Okay, no VPN need, and you can deposit and get 50% bonus and 100% loss protection. So for example, you deposit 5k, you get 2k5 in futures bonus reward, and if you lose your 5k, you will get 5k in futures bonus again. So basically, with 5k, that even if you lose them, you will get up to 7k 500. So that's very good. Even if you do it with 1k, you can get 500 and a total compensation also if you lose it. The event is ending in 20 hours, so make sure to create a link in the description. And also, if you guys are willing to come here on every streams, remember that the giveaway and the money, if you win, will be sent to your Lbank account. So it's better to have an account. So if you guys want to enjoy the deposit bonus in this campaign, you guys still have 20 hours. So I recommend you guys to create an account so you don't miss this opportunity. And whenever you will win the giveaway, hopefully for you, I will send it to your Lbank account, and you will already have one with the bonus deposits. So now let's see what we have here regarding, for example, the footprints on Bybit. Yes, we do have, look at this. We have some longs chasing on Bybit, actually. You can see here. So that might be it. But I really want to have the weekly VWAP retested. Sometimes I'm very picky with my trades, and I really want the level to be perfectly retested. So sometimes I miss a trade, but I think it's better. I think it's better because you increase your probability to be right, okay? CPI is 24 November. Okay. So it won't be tomorrow, it won't be Friday. They removed it to November. That's true, this stream is clear. What do you mean? Learning a lot from live stream, much better than Twitch live. Thanks. What do you mean? From the other ones we did? Hello Catharsis, how are you? Every video will get giveaways. Yes, guys. Every vlogs, okay, every vlog I will give away $100 to $200, and every streams we give away $100. So that's almost every day. Tomorrow I won't be able to do a stream because I will take my day off, because I will go with my grandmother to make her visit something and to eat with her. So tomorrow I will be off, but Friday we will stream again, and as we do every single days. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, etc. What's your TP for BTC long? Well, I'm not in a long. That was a setup idea, basically. I didn't took it, but I think I would have take profit here when all those longs started to chase the price. Okay, but I personally I would love to have this level to take a short. Friday. So it's October. Okay. So it's this Friday. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Delta indicator is free on your Discord. Which Delta indicator, brother? Which Delta indicator are you talking about? So yeah, look, here from this, almost a 1% rejection from this level. This dude literally, fuck him. This dude's literally long like 25 million, and we down 1% since then. See, that's the power of fading the Bybit results. Because how can we know it's Bybit? Here you can see Bybit, BTUSD, Bybit futures. So basically, that's the footprint from Bybit futures. So from people going long or short on Bybit perpetual contracts. And basically, what you want to do when you're trading footprints, that's my opinion, on BTC, you want to fade the Bybit returns, okay? So whenever the price goes into a nice level that you have a lot of confluence, for example, a TPO POC, or like a Monday high, previous weekly high, a VWAP, whatever, and you have the price is dumping, for example, and you have the Bybit apes going short like crazy, that's another confluence for you to go long, okay? And in the other way, for example, here we had a lot of Bybit apes going long, and that was for us a benediction, because that was a huge resistance level. We took this liquidity, we had 30 days rolling VWAP, and basically what you want to do is to get people trapped in longs, and that's what happened on Bybit, and that's why we shorted. Now let's see if we can flip the daily VWAP right here to target the weekly VWAP. Could be great, actually. I would love it. So let's see if we can have something. I really would love to have this. For now, rejecting the 7 days rolling VWAP. But let's see. Also look at all those liquidations here. We are going to take them, but I think a lot of people really think that we are going to take them first, because as there is liquidation, we have to take these highs. But that's not true. Like, liquidation is just a cluster. Well, whenever we get there, the price can accelerate because there will be liquidation cascade, and the price will go up easily or go down easily, okay? And that's also a level where you can trap people and then reverse. That's not a magnet. To me, that's not a magnet, and most of the people make this mistake. So yeah, it's insane to take the top here by. What do you mean? Honestly, you are really good, bro. Thank you. Yo, Jeff, how are you, brother? So yeah, let's see how it is. But personally, for now, what are my position, guys? To be fully transparent, I bought 30% of what I'm ready to allocate in spot. So of my USDTs, I already buy. Okay, I bought Ethereum. I bought some BTCs. So 10% BTC, 10% Ethereum, 5% Aster, and 5% Tau. Okay, that's it. Then I bought a little bit of WUSDT, but that's it. And I'm ready to allocate more and more as long as we keep bleeding. So yeah. Other exchange not move there. What do you mean, XBJ? I don't really get it. More shorts adding before bonds now. All got leaked at. Yeah. Well, yeah, for now, there's not that much short adding, guys. Huh? You can see here, look, the net shorts, they just got wiped out here. was high leverage shorts, and you have some longs chasing the price. But for me, this is really weak. Huh? Maybe if we reclaim weekly VWAP, we're okay, but for me, the price is looking very, very weak. We do have some spot buying. We do have some spot buying actually. But on very low time frame, you can see that here, if we look from highs, not a lot. But from here, from the lows, yes, they buying a little. But if you dezoom, like that's peanuts. And even more, if you dezoom more, guys, that's very scary. That is very scary. And that was also a great indication, okay? Because look, for example, here, when we make this high, okay? So we made this high right there. You can compare here with this high up. See if these spots, yeah, didn't make a new high. So that was not a strong move. That was not a strong move at all, okay? While the open interest, yeah, the open interest made a new fucking high. So basically, all this was a lot of leverage position opening. And then when we dump, ciao. See how much they dump, okay? While the spot, well, dumped also, but kept dumping. So that was an interesting thing to see, okay? How is Aster looking? Aster is looking bad, huh? Honestly. I think it's good for accumulating long term, but as long as BTC doesn't find a support, Aster might bleed, might still bleed, okay? Basically, if I have to show you here, Aster, yeah, that's the thing. Let's remove that one. Let's remove this also, so it's clearer. But yeah, Aster, we are at like lower standard deviation bands, okay? So that's kind of support. We feel this single print here. We are here at this value area high, value area low, sorry. But yeah, I don't exclude a retest of the opening prices on the perpetual contracts. When Aster was released on Bluffin or on Bybit, on BitGet, etc., leverage contracts, even on Aster Dex, it was at 0.5 cents, okay, for $0.5. Maybe we retest that. I was thinking we are never going to retest these prices. I was wrong. Now it's another 50% down from here, okay? So that needs to, for me, that requires BTC to go much lower, like 100Ks. So yeah. When did you start trading and what was your starting capital? I started trading 5.5 years ago, almost 6 years now. And I started with zero because I was literally in like high school. So I didn't have money. I was doing demo trading and I was trading with like 100 euros. It's in euro because I come from Europe. And I was trading Forex and stocks, okay? I remember I was trading on Degiro. That was my father's account. That was like with my father's identity because I was too young. I was not 18 years old. And then whenever I started, I left my home and I went to university, I discovered crypto, and it's been 4.5 years that I've been in crypto. And I started with the 1K that I had from my family. I lost it, and then I made back money with online business and also by doing my internship and working on the side. And I was just keep adding on crypto. I was adding on crypto, making big money, losing it, adding, making big money, losing it, because I was good, but I was just leveraging like a degen. So whenever I had a huge winning streak, I was making fucking ton of money. But whenever I had that drawdown, as I was going too big, I was like just liquidating myself. So it took me 3.5 years to actually started to be calm and have a long-term vision and make money, okay, make money on the long run. And now I really have that vision that yes, you take trading and you take your trading accounts like you take an investment account, okay? So you don't need to make a crazy return in a small period of time and be rich in trading like that. What you want to do is to have your trading accounts like your investment account. I already did this in another stream, I think, but for example, your investment account, you start at 10K, okay, here, sorry for my drawing, and you want it to be like this, okay, like S&P, going up but steady, not even that volatile, even like just like this, okay, like a wave flow, okay, with a good flow. Most of the people think that their trading account, it needs to start like this at 1K and like do something like this, okay, crazy, or even have like drawdown but at the end go here. No, because if you have this kind of movements, that's sure 100% of the time that at one point it will go to zero, okay, because you don't have risk management. What is important is to respect, okay, the volatility and have a nice drawdown. So your trading account, you want it to be like this. Why more moves? Because simply because on your investment accounts you make less transactions, because that's long-term investment. So you invest every weeks, every month, but you just buy and sell on a long time. You just DCA, you invest long-term. So you don't do a lot of transaction. On your trading account, whether it's swing accounts, day trading, or scalping accounts, you will make a lot of transactions. So there will be more like up and downs, but it needs to be controlled. And that's how you want it to look at the end. That's the same thing. You want the curve to be like this, okay? So hello Natalie, welcome in the stream. So yeah, that's how you want your trading account to look. And again, guys, for example, how many, just a question, how many people here in the stream believe they can make 5% a month? 5% a month, okay? And if I tell you, okay, I want you to make 5% a month, will you be like, yeah, that's nothing. If I make 5% a month, I won't be rich, okay? Like you mean, I want to make 20%, 50% a month, 2x a month. What do you guys think? Let me know. Looks like BTC topped for me and will see a correction till 160Ks. Well, for me, BTC tops if we lose that level. If we lose 97, 98, there's the top. If we hold here, it's okay. Like my little smiley says here. So yeah, so just to go back here, okay, before you guys answered, if you make 5% a month, okay, 5% a month, let's ask ChatGPT, my friend ChatGPT, new chat, okay, if I make 5% a month compounded, how much I make at the end of the year? Consistent growth beats fast growth. Exactly, because fast growth, whatever comes fast goes fast, okay? So see, if you make 5% a month compounded monthly, so after 12 months, that's 1 plus 0.005 square 12. I forgot the name in English, sorry. And so basically that's 80% a year. That's almost a 2x a year. Who the fuck does 80% a year, like on the long run, okay? Not a lot of people, honestly. And if you make 5% a month, okay, and I'm pretty sure everyone is convinced that you can make 5% a month, okay, with the crypto volatility, if you have a good risk management, you can make 5% a month, honestly. That's not easy, but that's doable, okay? You make this, that's 79% a year, okay? And just 6%. Let's say with 6%, I believe it's a 2x a year. 6% is 2x a year, and you can see it here. Yeah, that's 101%, so that's 2.01x per year if you do 6% per month. So that's it, and you can double your capital. Okay, now imagine I start with, okay, let's do something. I start with 5k. Okay, you start with 5k. Okay, you work, you have 5k. I start with 5k, and I can add to my trading account $500 every month, okay, by working $500 every month, okay? Now if I make 6% a year, sorry, where's the fucking percent, bro? I mean 6% a year, no, a month. What's my IUM after 1 year, 2 and 3 and 4, etc. Let's see, guys, because again, trading, take it seriously. It's not something that you're not going to be rich in 3 weeks, in 3 months with trading. That's totally false. Okay, personally, it took me 3 years of working, doing trading every 10 hours every fucking day, losing crazy amount of money for my age. Okay, I started with nothing. There's some days I lost like 100k in a day. I was like fucking 19, 20 years old. So psychologically, that was very tough. And yes, at the end, you can see, and look at this, 5 years to change your life, guys. 5 years, okay? Even 3 years, because if you have 100k liquid, your life change, okay? You need to make 2% a month and you make 2k a month. That's good. You start with 5k, you add $500 every month by working on the side. I don't know, whatever you can do. You can do online business. You can do videos for people. You can create email. That, like, there's a lot of ways to do money online. Okay, you can do that $500 additional online. You do your 6% monthly. After the year 1, you have under your account 18k. After 2 years, you have 45k. 3 years, 100k. 4 years, 210k, and 5 years, 431k. So after 6-7 years, that's $1 million. It takes you, with trading, starting with 5k and making this, having the consistency and working also on the side, and knowing that if you make $500 monthly compounded every month on your account, maybe after year 2, year 3, you can have a better job and add more money. Okay, you can have this. Basically, you can grow this like that. So think about it. That's what you want. Okay, you don't want this, guys. You don't want this to go after to 0. So yeah, I don't know if that was clear. That was a little lesson. I really love to do those. I think it was quite understandable. So if you have the vision, okay, you can change your life. For example, let's think big. Someone that okay, and with 50k and 5k monthly income adding to the account, and 5% and 6%, well, let's say 5% a month. Okay, let's even take it slower for someone that has more money. Okay, 50k, he can add 5k monthly, 4%. My story is showing that I can make 5-10% months, but my mindset is holding me back. I need to work on my trading psychology. Yeah, that's the most important, guys. The psychology is the... Yo, look. 4 years, you're a millionaire. In 3 years, you have $500,000, starting from 50 fucking K, okay? And after 5 years, you can have almost 2 fucking million. So that's just... It's just that you don't need to rush things, guys. I know maybe some of you are in a bad situation or whatever, but... if you try to speedrun this, it's casino. You need to have consistency and have a plan long term. And mathematics, and putting numbers on your ideas helps you to have a vision. Here you can have the vision, okay? You can do whatever with whatever money, okay? You can start, okay, with 1k starting and $100 per month, okay? Dollars per month. For people with way lower capital, let's see how it is. And I still think that that's life changing, because if you only have 1k starting and you can only put $100 per month on your trading account, it means that your situation is very bad and it's not good. And I don't want to offend anyone that is here. It's just like, it's true, and it's just to have the vision and to give you guys hope that's the case. So please chat, answer me, okay? You can see after 5 years, you are 34k. 34k with, even after 4 years, you have 20k, 10k in 3 years. 10k in 3 years, 10k is cash, is a lot of money. Like, I believe like most of half the population in the world doesn't have 10k liquid. So that's something good. With 4k, with 4% return. If you make 5-6, that could be even more, okay? So just think about that, guys. That's important. Now let's get back to the chart. Oh, look how look how they got trapped here, these motherfuckers. Yeah, any scalp long level you're looking for? Nah, not really. I'm not interested in scalp long, guys. Now I would have been interested in the scalp shorts, didn't got it, so pretty sad. But yeah, I wanted this. Like nothing special here. Okay, like that's like the stop is entry here on that one, but I didn't took it. That was just a trading idea, by the way. But now that's invalidated, sorry, and we probably go for the week. If we can have this, I will short. Okay, so that's my plan, guys, remember. So yeah, by the way, guys, what about making the giveaway now? It's been almost 1 hour we are streaming. I don't think I will stream that long. I think I will only do a 1 hour stream today. Sorry, so let me know. But I really would love to see this play. I really would love to see this play, like a retest higher. Let's see if we can get it. We also have some shorts trapped here. Giveaway time. Yeah, let's go. Okay, guys. So, Nasir is... well, he got it once, guys. So, again, if you guys want to participate to the stream, comment the chat, like the video, and obviously be a subscriber. So make sure to like also. And we are going to start the giveaway now, guys. So let's see. Up. I have it here. Draw. So just to remember, guys, the money will be sent to your Lbank account. So if you guys want to receive the money and participate, you also have to create an Lbank account. The link is in the description. No KYC required. 50% deposit bonus. Okay, so that's free money for you guys, and the money will be sent to your Lbank account. That's a trading voucher. You can withdraw the profit and trade with it. That's perfectly good. So now let's see who can win. Are you guys ready or no? Do we start it? Let's go. Again, the winner sent me a DM on X with his Lbank UID and also with a screenshot or proof that it's your YouTube account. And the winner is... oh, Achak. Congrats, Achak. He's been there almost every stream. And a lot of time you are in the first one. So congrats, Achak. Did you win already or no? I'm not sure that you already won. I'm not sure that you guys are that you already won. By the way, guys, just to show you something, I would like to present you Trade AI. Okay, so that's a trading journal. Okay, so here you guys have the stream. I just gave you the link here. If you guys also want the link, I'm adding it in the description. Okay, so look in the description, guys, of this. There is the link to go to Trade AI. Okay, up. Sorry, I'm adding you because you have a discount with this. Up. And so basically, what you can have on Trade AI is basically like Coin Market Manager, but in better. Okay, that's even better. I did win on Friday. Oh, well, congrats, you won 2 times. Wow, honestly, that's the lottery, brother. That's it. So if you guys want to have a trading journal, I'm using this. It's so fucking good. Okay, I didn't connected any challenge account. That's my personal account, so I cannot share it to you guys, but I will connect a challenge account and make also a video about it, because that's the best tool I ever found in trading. Because yes, it's good to analyze on Market Monkey, on Coinalyze, etc. But what's the most important, and we talked about it just before, about consistency and making good profit on the long run, etc. I think good psychology. If you don't have a trading journal, you are not going anywhere in trading. So if you want to take trading seriously, you have to journal your trade. And it's way better to use a software like that rather than just marking your trades down, okay? And here, what's the best thing and the strength of this journal is that you have AI. You have an AI assistant that knows what you are doing, understand your trade, understand your strategy, and will give you feedbacks on what you are doing. And that really changed my trading. You have automated journal, you have the training calendar, you have cumulative P&L, you have a lot of things. So the link is in the description, guys, if you guys want to try it. Link is in the description. Give it a try, honestly. If I had to recommend one tool for trading, that would be this. Not even using Market Monkey or Coinalyze, etc., because that's just technical analysis. What's the most? There is thousands of strategies, but there is not thousand way to journal your trades. You need a trading journal. So try it in the description, guys. That's the link, okay? You have it, app Trade AI. That's the code. Sorry, I don't know if the link is working. I added the HTTPS, so you guys can click on the link. Up. Okay, now it should be good. You guys should be able to click on it. Is it just long? But honestly, guys, we can check again regarding the link. We can check again regarding this. But honestly, well, that's the second time someone that won is winning. But if we look at this, no, yes. Oh, sorry. Let's see how it goes. Let's also traduire in English. Okay, so we have it here. Find comments, and you guys can see that. Continue in English. Parameters. You have the winner here. Okay, supplement, price. We can exclude double things, and that's it. I mean, there's nothing, and there's all these participants, like that's just luck. But also something is that Achak, he commented a lot. Well, Sumbi also. Niga. Yeah. Fuck you, that's it. Sorry, I said the N word, but I was reading this. Shouldn't say it. That's will be funny if he had won the giveaway, that motherfucker. So yeah, so new challenge tomorrow. Is it long here? Yeah. Well, actually, that could be a nice setup again to here. But like, where do you place your SL? I wouldn't place my stop loss here. That's too close. So yeah. Honestly, I don't like it. So yeah, guys, up. Haters gonna hate. Yeah, always. Well, guys, let's see what we have. Personally, think we can hold here. Honestly, we might hold. We might hold. I would love something like this. I would love something like this. If we have it, I'm gonna short. I'm not gonna long here. I might long if I see strength, but I don't see any strength for now. Okay, we basically, that session was a bit weird because we had like high leverage longs trapped here, high leverage shorts trapped here, so that was a bit weird. Regarding this, we can see also we had buyers on Binance futures trapped here. Okay, they pushed the price didn't push with it, and we dumped, and we have less sellers here. That's really bearish to me. That's really bearish. I mean, look, the volume, they really wanted to push it higher, they were not able to do it, and price is not progressing further up, so that's a bit bearish. We stopped out the baby top launders yet? Well, if there were 100x leverage, yes. So yeah, that's why also I love to go with the 1% rule. Okay, is that what I love to get is when I'm fading those traders, I'm targeting a 1% rejection up or down. Okay, because most of the time they are 100x leverage, so that's what I want to do. And here that's what happened basically. Like, see here, for example, this one, well, we didn't bounce 1%, so we might get to 1%, but this one up, we dumped 1%, so that would have been my target. And now the price is kind of holding. Price is kind of holding. We have all the open interest removed. Maybe we do all this week and people think, yes, we are so bad, blah blah blah, and then we dump. But yeah, for now everyone is fighting. By the way, guys, anyone tried Trade AI or no? Did anyone try Trade AI? The link is in the description, guys. I really recommend you guys to try it. That's the best thing that happened personally in this year for me in my trading, helping me a lot. I was using CoinMarketManager and basically sending over my informations into ChatGPT, but now I have fucking ChatGPT that is even better because it's an trading AI in my trading journal. So that's, yeah, like you cannot do better than that. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I think that was it for today. Maybe see you guys tomorrow. I think that if I stream, it won't be at the same hours. It won't be at New York Open. It will probably be much later. So either close of the New York session, or like end of New York session, or even maybe Asia session. So let's see. That will be a stream that we will do later, but I cannot be here tomorrow for New York Open. So yeah, taking a day off. We'll still post content on X tonight. We'll post a YouTube video tonight also, and we'll update you guys if I take a stream or no. So if you guys want to try Trade AI, link is in the description. Right now we wait. Honestly, we can bounce here, but I don't feel the long here. I prefer to go short here as the trend is still down. So yeah, that was it for me today. Congratulations to the winner. Send me a DM on X again, and that's it. Have a good one, guys. See you guys tomorrow for another stream and another giveaway. If you guys also want to participate to another giveaway, just go here, okay, not in the stream, but go to my YouTube channel and go to this vlog, okay, Week in the Life, that's just a funny name. That's just to clickbait. And comments. There is 2 winners of $100 in the comments. The draw will be Sunday. So have a good one. See you guys. Thanks again for the subscribers. We are growing. We are already 1,050 subscribers, so that's cool. So